Hey guys, how you doing? It's Lagging here, and today I got you a $500 Intel gaming PC build. And to kick off this build, we got the Roswell FBM01. Come with two fans. It's micro ATX. I mean, it's 25 bucks. It's normally 30 bucks. It's 20% off on Newegg right now. And also to power this build, we have the Corsair CX430, and we actually have the modular one. So, I mean, and that's 15% off with the promo code, and then you get a $20 mailing rebate. So you essentially get a 430 watt modular power supply for around 25 bucks. I mean, that's excellent. And we got your little light on DVD burner for 14 bucks. And we went with the same graphics card we had in the other $500 bill. We got the Power Color 7850. Great for gaming, great for 1080p gaming, great for anything under 1080p. You'll be able to play almost everything on high settings, except for probably like games like Tomb Raider. You won't be able to play on Ultimate. You'll probably be able to play on like high. They're like 50 frames per second. Crisis, you probably put it on like high, no NTS, and get like 60 in good spots, and then drop down to 40. Because I'm using 7870, I got overclock. I got 8350, and at times I still drop down to like 25 frames per second in Crisis. I mean, that game's just, it's hungry. Got a Toshiba 500 gigabyte hard drive. That's 45 bucks right now on Newegg. And then you also get a promo code. I believe you get like 10% off of that promo code. It just says extra savings. I didn't insert the promo code. So y'all do that, insert that promo code. And we got a motherboard CPU combo. We got the Intel Core i3 3220. It's Ivy Bridge 3.3 gigahertz at LGA 1155. 55 watts. It's dual core, but it has hyper threading, so Windows will see it in most tasks as a quad core. And it's actually, I like it better for gaming than I actually do the 8300. But the 8300 in my other $500 build is just, it'll kill most Core i5s and rendering and all that other kind of stuff. And for the motherboard, we got the Asus PH77M LGA 55. It's got HDMI out, 6 gigabits per second, USB 3, UFI BIOS, supports up to 2200 megahertz RAM. I mean, and then you get all that, for exactly 100 bucks. I mean 200 bucks. I apologize. And we had to take a hit. We took a hit in the RAM department, and we got Parima 4 gigabytes. Clock at 1600 megahertz. Voltage is 1.5, but the case latency is 9. And so, I mean, they got a pretty solid build. And I mean, 4 gigs is perfect for gaming. And your total cost is actually, it is 503 before your mailing rebates. Now with mailing rebates, it'll be less than 503. But I know a lot of people nowadays don't have their own printer, so they're not gonna go claim them. Like, I don't even claim rebates because I feel like for 10 bucks I'm spending an hour filling out an application. It's not worth my time. But this is a $500 build. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all want to see some, just tell me. Lagging now, y'all stay true.